quick update. We were able to find the box and the hitch for the AC-440. It was quite a remarkable find. It was insane. We were just like minding our own business, and my dad spotted it at the corner of his eye. Treasure. And there we go, we found it. So we're just gonna take this off now, put it on there, and then stick the tongue through it. So we'll do a quick jump back and cut when we get it on there. Lubing it up. A wise man once told us, grease is cheap, lube it up. So just don't be afraid to lube anything. If they don't go on, just lube it. Lube will make anything come off. That's what lube's made for. We're putting it on. But we won't talk about that.
We got our fancy tools here.
Then we got our pin pusher. Who said lube can't get shit done?
Lube helped a lot.
Let's get that pin and hit it through.
Yeah.
There she is. And this is why I use lube. That's been on there for years.
You lost the screw, the bolt for this?
No, I got it right here. Yeah, I put it in the truck.
I'll put it right here. I gotta wire brush that.
And there it is. See all the rust? That lube did a good job. We're gonna clean it and we're gonna put it on.
Preliminary grease.
Grease it up. Yep.
Looks like some fancy grease. See how it comes out? Tell me when to stop.
We're basically lining up the bolt hole here with that.
Tell me when.
A little bit more. That should be good. Okay, now that should work. Let's check. Yep, that'll work.
did.
Now it's time for attitude adjustment. There we go. That's the box. For the final piece of the puzzle, put the nut on. And there she is. It rolls just like how it should. That's it. Rolls good. Okay, so we're now under the tractor. Got this in here. As it goes up in here, it's a bit dirty, so I'm gonna do some excavating. Get all the dirt out of there. There we go. Got a lot more excavated. You guys can't see much, but I got a lot on me. But yeah, time to put this in there.
1, 2, 3.
That's enough. Okay, there we go. Push it forward. Okay, and where's the pin? It's way over there. I gotta grease them. Where is it? There she sits. Pin. I think maybe pull this back a bit.
Okay.
There we go. That's like the pin lock thing for the hitch. Where's this screwdriver? It's all that dirt from up here. The whole thing's caked. Gotta clean the camera. And there we have it. The box and the tongue. And there she is. This is a lock for the pin so it doesn't come out. And there it is. She's all original again. It's got all the bits and pieces. So basically, I know a bunch of you guys are going to be asking why it even sat in the first place. Well, to answer that question, the owner primarily used this tractor for rice ridging. That's why he took the hitch off in the first place, is because he wanted to put a rice ridger on here. Use the 3 points, and that's what he did. You know, he didn't use it too much, but he used it for the rice ridging. And after a while, he got a new tractor, so then he just retired this one out. He just like left it sitting for a bunch, maybe about 20 years, just sat. So that's the history of this tractor. We don't know where it came from originally, where the guy got it from, but that's maybe a story for another day when we find out. But for now, this is what we've got going on. Hopefully we can start painting this thing someday. That's probably our next bucket list item, is to sand this thing down and then paint it, because we got like a gallon. So yeah, kind of want to paint it that white. It's kind of debating whether to paint this gray like the other one or have them white. So we're just gonna paint it white. I think that'd be cool. Still working on the Massey Ferguson. But yeah, that's about it for this update video. Just want to let you guys know we got the hitch on. That's a big worry of ours. So stay tuned to the next video. Maybe that'll be the painting video or a pulling video. We'll see. Stay tuned. See you guys next time.